Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to fix apps keep crashing or apps closes while opening them on Android. So let's get started. So whenever you try to open up an app, the app will crash or the app will not open, or even if your app opens it will crash again. Now to fix that, what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First, what you have to do is just simply open up your settings. After opening up your settings, now from here just simply tap on storage. After tapping on storage, now you will find all the applications that are taking storage. What you have to do is just simply select the application which is taking the most storage and then clear it. So you just have to wait for a while to calculate everything. After your device calculates everything, like which app takes the most storage and most resources in your device, what you have to do is just simply select that application or that file and then clear it, or just clear the cache. So what you can do is just simply tap on other apps. After tapping on other apps, now you will find all the apps. Now in the top you will find the app which will take the most storage. What you have to do is just select that app and then tap on clear cache. So if you can just simply go ahead and then clear the storage. Just simply tap on clear storage. But after clearing the storage, you just have to simply open up your TikTok application and then again log into your account. So just simply do this. Just simply select any application and then clear the cache and then storage of those applications. And after doing that, you should fix the problem. So this was the first fix, and the second fix is to just simply select the specific application that you are facing the problem with. So for example, I am facing a problem with my Instagram. So what I'll do is just simply tap on it and then tap on clear cache and also tap on clear storage. And after doing that, now my account will be logged out, and if I'll try to open up my Instagram, then it will not crash. So this was the first fix. The second fix is to just simply open up your files. And after opening up your files, now you just have to check if you have too many files saved in your downloads. So if you have too many files saved in your downloads, what you can do is just simply go ahead and then delete them. So here you can see guys, there are so many unwanted files in my downloads. So this might be the same case inside your downloads. What you have to do is just simply go ahead and then delete them. And after deleting them, you should fix the problem. So now to delete them, what you have to do is just simply tap on select all, and after tapping on select all, every single file will be selected. What you have to do is just simply make sure that they all are unwanted files. So just simply unselect the wanted or the required files in your device and then select all the unwanted files that you don't want and then tap on delete and then just simply delete it. So here you can see guys, I have 2000 unwanted files. You might also have the same problem. Just simply go ahead and then delete it and you should fix the problem. And after deleting all of them, now the last step is to just restart your device. So make sure that you restart your device every single day, and by doing that you will not face any crashes or lags in your device. What you have to do is just simply tap on the power button. Just simply tap and hold on your power button and then tap on restart, and after tapping on restart you will successfully restart your device. And now if you just simply go ahead and then try to use any application, then it will not crash. So that's it guys, this is how to fix app keep crashing or app closes while opening them on Android. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.